Hey guys, Dave here. Well, everybody, including myself, loves chicken, but I love a quick and easy chicken with gravy. So I decided to make up this 20-minute garlic chicken. It came out so incredible, you are absolutely gonna love it. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is grab up 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them into strips, I'd say about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch thick. After that, just go ahead and cut them into bite-sized chunks. Then what I usually do is grab up a paper towel and just kind of pat them dry. Alright, we'll just go ahead and throw these into a bowl. Grab up 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and put it over top of that chicken. Season things up with about a teaspoon of salt. Then about a teaspoon and a half of ground black pepper, and I just love ground black pepper, but it's totally up to you. Of course, another teaspoon of the good old garlic powder, which is good for you actually. Then just go ahead and take your hands, I know I should have worn gloves, but I didn't, and just mix everything together until that flour and seasoning coat the chicken. Next up, we're going to throw some oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Go ahead and add that chicken in. And we'll just stir and fry until that chicken is basically cooked through. And this is going to take, I'd say 6 minutes or so, because it's already in bite-sized chunks. Well, that chicken is frying away. I'm going to grab up some garlic and slice that up. Although I only am showing a couple of cloves here, I am using 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, because it is garlic chicken, right? We're about 3 minutes into the fry here, so I'm just going to kind of flip things around, but that chicken is coming along. By the way, guys, I am on a chicken kick this week, and coming up Sunday is a Smoky cabin chicken skillet that you are going to love, so stay tuned for it. Chicken is cooked, so in with some unsalted butter. Then that garlic that we chopped up. Follow that up with a couple of tablespoons of fresh parsley. And we'll just stir and saute until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the kitchen. And you can tell the success of the dish by the smell in the kitchen. And that is basically a proven fact. Okie dokie, we are basically done, so the chicken goes into a bowl. Gravy time. In we go to the same pan with a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Then another tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Just kind of let that butter melt down. Then basically stir it around until kind of a roux forms. Now we're going to grab up a cup of chicken stock, but we're only going to pour in half. Give that a scrape to kind of deglaze the pan here. Then just kind of stir it around, continuing with that roux concept and that gravy concept, but this is looking good. Now the other half a cup of the chicken stock. Grab up the old whisk and whisk it until our gravy forms. It's that simple. And this is really an easy gravy, guys, and why would you go out and buy gravy when you can make it this simple? So we're going to bring this to a boil, but just look at this. Doesn't it look fantastic? And you probably guessed it by now, we are going to throw that chicken back in. And of course that chicken along with the gravy, doesn't that look spectacular? Give it all a stir around until that gravy coats the chicken. And if you want it a little more gravy-like, you can add a bit more chicken stock. And I'm going to serve this up over some steamed rice, but of course you can use potatoes, whatever you like. But ooh, doggies, doesn't this look good? And you can't forget to pour over more of that gravy. And this recipe coming up Sunday, guys, of the Smoky Cabin, I can't emphasize enough how good it is. Honey, garlic, all the trimmings, you are going to love it. You definitely have to watch that Sunday. And I have to mention, just for a little pop of flavor, you can squeeze in a little bit of fresh lemon juice, and that really brings things out and makes it pop. But guaranteed, this and the Smoky Cabin chicken are 2 of the best chicken dishes you will ever make. And if you do make this one up, leave me a comment. I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we shall see you Sunday in that Smoky Cabin skillet video.